1 year ago, Arctic House Houston opened its doors after a journey marked by excitement, creativity, and unexpected challenges. While putting our final touches on our brand new art space, a devastating windstorm slammed into Houston. Many people lost power for weeks, and lives were changed in an instant as the windstorm struck the city. The storm delayed our grand opening, but not our vision or determination. We came back stronger than ever, ready to bring Houston a home where art, science, and technology collide in unforgettable ways. In just 1 year, you've journeyed across the cosmos, wandered through dreamlike gardens, celebrated the season, and explored the raw beauty of light and form. You've danced the night away at our immersive DJ raves, where music, light, and art transform the space into something electric. Houston, here's to one unforgettable year, and to many more moments where art and innovation meet.